Okay, this is my lesson 1 bits evaluation. I'll put a disclaimer ahead of time. This is Lily. She does not like her face to be touched, so we're going to try our best to get the information we need in the video. You're okay. Our first one is the tongue, if it is thick or not. So we're going to try and see inside the mouth. While her face is closed, we're just going to open her lips. You're okay. And see if we can see the tongue protruding over the bars. You're okay. Excuse you. You're okay. You're okay. Yeah, you're okay. Stop. Stop. Lily, you're okay, baby. Good girl. Stop. Stop. In this case, you can't see her tongue. It is a tiny bit protruded, but she's also very tense. On a typical day, we would consider that she would not have a thick tongue. So the next part is measuring the width of her mouth. I have a piece of twine here. The tie is going to be my marker for her mouthpiece on one side, and then we're going to take a marker to mark the width on the other side. And this we just insert as if it were the bit. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Lily. You're okay. Relax. 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 Good girl. You're okay. Good girl. So we have our piece of twine on the knot where the mouthpiece would go. My finger, since she's trying to eat it, will be our marker on this side. We put it where the mouthpiece also would go. Enough. Pull it out. And then we come over to measure. We measure at roughly, with the thing, we would round up to 5 inches with a dot. Lastly, we're going to try and do her palate to see if she has a low palate or not. For this, we insert our index finger where the mouthpiece would go of the bit. Once they stop trying to chew, we will bend our finger, and if it hits the top of the mouth, that would indicate she has a low palate. You're okay. I know, you're doing so good. You're okay. You're okay. You get a tasty finger. You're okay. You're okay. Good girl. Good girl, relax. And in this case, she did briefly just stop. And with a little bend, I can hit the top of her mouth with my finger, so she would be considered a low palate horse. And that is it for our mouth evaluation video.